Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to add Amazon Prime Video to your Apple TV so you can stream all your favorite movies, TV shows, and Amazon originals directly on your TV. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Turn on your Apple TV and make sure it's connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A strong internet connection is essential for smooth streaming. Step 2. From the Apple TV home screen, navigate to the App Store. This is where you can browse and download new apps for your device. Step 3. In the App Store, select Search and type Amazon Prime Video using the on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Select the official Amazon Prime Video app from the search results to ensure you are downloading the correct app. Step 5. Click on Get or Install to download Amazon Prime Video to your Apple TV. The installation may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 6. Once installed, return to your Apple TV home screen. You will see the Amazon Prime Video icon among your apps. Step 7. Open the Amazon Prime Video app by selecting it. You'll need to sign in with your Amazon account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one directly in the app by following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, browse the Amazon Prime Video library, select your favorite shows, movies, or originals, and start streaming immediately. You can also use the search function inside the app to find content faster. Step 9. For easier access in the future, highlight the Amazon Prime Video app on your home screen and move it to a convenient location so you can access it quickly. That's it! Amazon Prime Video is now installed on your Apple TV, and you're ready to enjoy hours of entertainment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you.